Hi all, welcome to yet another episode of Saja's Designer Boutique. Those who are watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel, do press the bell icon so that you will be getting all our notification, all our new collections related to Saja's Designer Boutique, and we'll be showing you all our accessories, new collections, sarees, salwars, and we are located in Dubai. We have cash on delivery facility available all over UAE, and today I'll be introducing you few cotton collection that is exclusive of Saja's Designer Boutique. So let's start with a denim blue saree with a kalamkari print border, and there is a pom-pom in the side of the pallu part, and all the sarees the borders will be same, the blouse piece will be same as the border. So this is a half and half saree which comes, the pallu is this. I'll show you the pallu. No, actually this is not a half and half saree. No, this is not half and half saree. Yeah, it is, the entire body is like this of the saree, and just the pallu part there is a difference. The pallu will be like this. So the saree is like this. It's a very beautiful saree, very soft, soft cotton. So the saree will be like this, and the blouses, show you the blouse. Yeah, the blouse will be like this kalamkari blouse, and the saree, and as I told you, the pallu is like this with a pom-pom border. It's a very beautiful saree, pure cotton saree. So moving on to our next collection, the same, something similar to the same saree, which is in a light brown shade with a maroon kalamkari print border on it, and this is also the similar to the same saree. This will be the pallu part with the small polka dots, and the body of the saree is like this. It is with a small mango design on the saree. Okay, so the saree is like this. The border of the saree is same as this kalamkari print. For booking, you can WhatsApp us on 052-7367-418. That is our WhatsApp number. You can reach us on this number. And we have a similar one in a grey with a peachish orange shade and a white pom-pom, and the blouse will be same as this orange one, same as this border. That too is a very rare combination. So I'll just show you the saree how it will look. Yes, the saree is like this. Okay, and we have another saree that too is of a similar shade with a brick shade. The blouse will be same as the border. Saree is like this. It will be like this. There is a big border. The border is like this, and the blouse of the saree is a brick shade with a kalamkari print. Yeah, it is a very beautiful blouse which can be paired with any of your sarees. See, it is like this, and the combination is really very good. The very, very beautiful saree. Yeah, like this it will go. So moving on to our next saree. It is a royal blue saree, little more in a brighter shade, royal blue with a pink border. The blouse will be same as the border. The saree will look like this. Like this it is. And we have different shades in that: red with a green border, yellow with a blue border, and grey with a blue border. This grey with a blue is a very rare combination, and we do have in a grey with a yellow border and a black with a pink border. So total we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sarees of the same design in a different colors. So it is similar to the same blue with the pink border, and the blouses will be same as the border, and these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 shades available in it. And this is a Rani pink with a black border. It's a ikat border, and the blouse of this saree is the ikat blouse. Right now we have few offers going on, so for booking you can WhatsApp us on 0527367418. So you will know exactly how much is the amount of this sarees, and this is the border of the saree, and the blouses like this it will be coming. It's a very beautiful combination. All the sarees are in pure cotton, and we have one more saree in the similar one. Actually the design is different, grey with a black combination, which you can pair it with silver accessories. This too is a very beautiful saree. The blouse will be same as the border. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching our channel, and do subscribe our channel, and do share with your friends and family, and keep watching. And we are located in Mohayasana 4, opposite to Dunes Hotel Apartment. Our contact number is 0527367418, and our landline number is 0428344040. Thanks for watching.